Last year I made over 50,000 euro of live trading profits using only automated trading expert advisors for the MetaTrader 5. I documented everything 100% transparent on this channel in real time. Also, just in the last month, I made 7,719 euro of live trading profits. So watch this video to learn about every strategy I used and see how they perform. Hi, my name is René, and if you watch this video until the end, you will also learn how much every single of these strategies made since the beginning of this account, which was in early 2024. So this is not a one-hit wonder. This is a long-term performance that has some fundamentals behind it. So here you can see this is the server where all of the magic happens. This is the account that I was talking about. You can see the current balance is at 26,000, but this is because I did a lot of withdrawals already. Just a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, so I did my biggest withdrawal ever with 50,000 euro profits that I withdrew from the account. You will find a separate video for this on the channel, but here you can see the profit indeed is 56,400 something at this point. So I'm really speaking facts, and there's no way that I could fake this because this account is running and is showing live every single day on my channel. So to make sure to follow this, to not miss out anything. Also, before we start with the actual analysis, please be informed that you can use all of these expert advisors that I use here in this account completely for free with my partner brokers. Of course, I also benefit because I get a percentage of the fees that you pay to the broker for myself, but it is a win-win situation in my opinion. And if you like this offer, then make sure to check out the links in the video description. But let's stop this talking and let's start to have a look at the actual performance. So you can see I am using 3 different strategies here, which is the go long strategy. I use the range breakout strategy, and I do have some more charts down here at the bottom that I minimize because I use these strategies in other symbols that I already show in one chart. But you can see I also use the turnaround Tuesday strategy. If you are interested about how the strategies work, you will also find separate videos for this on the channel already, so you will learn exactly how you can use these strategies and what the idea behind the strategies is. But in this video I said I wanted to show you the actual performance of every single chart. So this is what we want to do on my local PC. So here you can see this is my local PC, and this is my Trade Buddy trading journal, which is displaying all of the trades here. And here in my trading journal you can see the total net profit is also 56,360. It's a little bit less because sometimes in my live account I get some like dividend payments, like let me find one of these, like here for example, and these are not like shown in my trading journal, but still it's these are the same trades except for the dividends. So we can see here the graph is based on a account value of 50,000 euro, because from the beginning when I started this trading account in or end of March 2024, I always traded this account as if it would hold 50,000 euro. I still do withdrawals from time to time to not keep all of the 50k in my account because it just does not make sense and it's not needed for the margin, but I do trade this like a 50,000 euro account. You can see the performance so far is really stable. There was one major drawdown, which was a couple of months ago when Trump, the US president, started to talk about the tariffs and how he wants to change it, and this had an impact on the market and also on this account. But I'm really glad with the recovery that the account took afterwards, and right now at the beginning of July 2025 when I record this video, I can proudly say that this account is at an absolute all-time high again, and so also was the performance in the last months. So first, let's have a look at this performance in the last months before we then have a look at the long-term and all-time performance of the strategies since I started trading this account. So here you can see I can filter in my TradeBuddy trading journal all of the trades from beginning of June 2025 up until the end of June 2025. And if I filter, we can see this is the profit that I was talking about in the beginning, 7,719 euro, which is honestly insane. It's a profit factor of 1.5. And if we have a look at the graph here just for the last month, it is really, really good. So now I'm curious where this performance is coming from. And for this, we will need to have a look at the different strategies in the different symbols. We will start off with the go long strategy in US 30. It is a strategy that goes long in the stock market indices, and we saw a very nice profit here, over 2,000 euro of profit in US 30 just with this single strategy. Here it's especially interesting to also have a look at the development of the index in the same months. So if we have a look at June and the June performance of this stock market index here, we can see, of course, it gained value. And if I find the beginning of June, which was here the 2nd of June, we can see the index made a profit of 5.6%. So it's no surprise that also in my trading account, I saw a nice profit of 2,200. So this is just how the strategy works. If the index goes up, the strategy will also benefit from it. And in my opinion, this is a valid trading idea, because usually if we have a look at a very long period of time, indices tend to go up. I do trade the same strategy in US Tech and D40, so let's have a look at this. Here we can see in US Tech there was also very good performance. It was even stronger actually, with 3,200 euro of profit just in one single chart. And then in the D40 there's a small loss of 570 euro. Then let's have a look at the next strategy, which is the turnaround Tuesday strategy. I also trade this in US 30, US Tech and D40. And I remember there were quite a few trades, and in US 30 these trades generated 616 euro of profit. 2 wins, just a perfect month for this strategy. We do have US Tech, and this US Tech generated with the turnaround Tuesday strategy actually 3 trades, which is quite a lot for one single month, but all of these 3 trades were winning trades, so the profit here is even bigger with almost 1.4k. Then we have D40, and here we saw 1 trade with a profit of 470 euro. So overall, the indices performed really, really good in the last months, and this is actually not a surprise, because all of the indices were gaining a lot of value in the last months. And my strategies that I do use in the indices, they are based on this idea that indices go up, so they only open buy positions, which means that in a month like this they have a very, very high chance to be profitable. And the only one of these indices which was I think it also generated a small profit here, the DE40. So yeah, it's quite a surprise. It's not ideal that the go long strategy was not able to capitalize on this, but yeah, you know, sometimes that's just how it goes. But in the long run, it should definitely also be profitable, and this is what we see at the end of this video, so make sure to also watch this. So yeah, so then we have a last strategy, which is the range breakout strategy, and this is what I trade in US 30. And here we saw quite a bunch of trades, 8 trades and a profit of 100 euro, which is okay. It's not too much, but it's also not bad. In D40 we saw 1 really bad trade. The last trade at the end of the month generated I think this probably was a stop loss, where it generated 230 euro loss, and then overall also the profit is minus 250. So D40 not really a successful symbol for the last month. Then in USD Japanese yen, insane performance with the range breakout EA last month. I also recently changed the settings for this, and this was a really good idea looking back in the last 2 months because it's performing way better now. Range Breakout EA, by the way, is traded in this chart here, and you can see every single day there's a range, and the expert advisor just trades the breakout. As I said, for more information, find the video for this on the channel. Then I do trade the same strategy also in US dollar, and there were also a few trades with a small profit of 57 euro in the June 2025. GBP/US dollar is also used with this strategy, and this one was negative again, and actually over the whole period of time it's also negative. We will see this in a second. It is by far the worst performing strategy so far, and also in June generated a loss of 550. Now I'm very curious about gold, because gold it used to perform really good with the Range Breakout EA, but unfortunately the last month was not good, and there is a small drawdown of 970. So to sum everything up, in the last month, June 2025, the DE40 was not the best performing chart. Also the GBP/US dollar and gold, they struggled with the Range Breakout EA. But still, if we have a look at the long-term performance, this account is doing exceptionally well. I'm super happy with the performance, and this is why also now we will have a look at the long-term performance of all of these strategies. Let's go through the same strategies quickly, but now for the whole period of time that I trade this. And you can see the go long strategy in US 30 made a profit of almost 5,000 euro. The go long strategy in US tech made a profit of 14,400 euro. The go long strategy in DE40 generated a profit of 12,000 euro. So huge success with the go long strategy. This is of course also, and I do never want to sugarcoat anything or tell you something that is not true, but the performance that is so good in the indices and the go long strategy especially is of course because the indices were going up. If we see a bear market for a long period of time, this strategy will struggle. So this as a little disclaimer, but so far it's performing just exceptionally well. So let's have a look at the Turnaround Tuesday strategy. Definitely also a strategy that benefits from positive market movements, and it generated a profit of 870 in US 30, generated a profit of 2,500 in US tech, and in D40 with the Turnaround Tuesday strategy we generated 2,400 euro of live trading profits. Let's now go to the last strategy, Range Breakout Expert Advisor, and this is one of my most active strategies, and it's really interesting to see the development. And here we can see, even though last month was slightly positive, there's still a loss of 800 euro in US 30 with this strategy. I also traded in D40, and here it is minus 50. It's more or less break even, but of course the last month was just not good. Then we do trade this in USD Japanese yen, and here we can see something really interesting. Now the overall profit is really good with 4,300, and it's mainly generated in the last 2 or 3 months. And this is also when I started to use slightly different settings for this strategy. Again, you will find separate videos where I explain what I changed and why I changed also on this channel. Then I do use the Range Breakout EA in US dollar. Also quite a success story so far, 2,000 euro of live trading profits. Then GBP/US dollar, as I said, this is like the worst performing chart so far in the account. It is the only chart that is net, no, it's not the only chart that is net negative. I think US 30 and DE40 are now also negative with the Range Breakout EA. But yeah, it's still the worst performing chart, and it generated a loss overall of 3,600 in a little bit more than 1 year, which is not great. But I mean, sometimes if you have a portfolio of 12 different charts, you cannot expect that everyone or every chart will just generate profits. And then we have gold. As I said, last month was not good, but overall the performance is just insane. Like there's over 17,000 euro of profit, so the 1k loss in the last month is easily compensated by the previous profits. And so far I think gold Range Breakout EA is still the most successful chart in this account. So now you have it, now you have the complete overview. These are all of the strategies that I used in my live trading account here in the last a little bit more than 1 year to generate over 50,000 euro of live trading profits. I also made the withdrawal already on this channel, and I can show it here again. Like, this is a real live trading account. Make sure to only follow and trust people in the internet that can really prove what they are saying. There are so many people out there that try to fool you or trick you, and I try to be a better example. So I hope this shows that trading can definitely be successful over a long period of time, but also, of course, you need like fundamental ideas that can be reliable, and you should not use these like fancy quick in, quick out, I make you rich overnight strategies. What I showed here was a long journey. I traded this account for more than 1 year, and I'm super satisfied with the success that I had so far. But again, it's not a overnight success. It's a lot of, you need some patience and you need to put some work in. But I'm sure that you can also do it. As I said again, if you want to use these strategies, if you think it could work for you, you will find everything for free with my partner brokers linked in the description. Still, before you use them, make sure to do your own tests, because I'm also just another person in the internet talking about something, and you should not trust random strangers in the internet. But if you do your own tests and if you see that you want to use these strategies, then I think they are definitely good strategies that can generate some profits. So with this said, I will just say thanks for watching. If you're still watching at this point, I wish you a lot of great trades and a great time, and I want to see you in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and like this video also. Maybe leave a comment if you want. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.